Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is the first day of October. So it's kind of midday. We went out and did some consultations this morning. Both of them went very well. We had three, but one had to reschedule because he had to go into work. So I'm out here in Smyrna, Georgia. This is actually a repeat client. Miss Paula, she actually used me last year. Moving in, she bought this house last year. And when she moved in, after they moved the furniture off the floors, you can see the outlines where they had put the wax, and they actually left the wax downstairs. So actually it was one of me and my students, Miss Rochelle from Texas. She was actually with me on this job. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is the same thing. A little bit over 1,200 square feet. Clean, just going to clean and put a protective wear layer on the floors, because what Miss Paula was telling me, she wanted to keep her floors maintained. But also this time she added 45 stairs, and we're going to clean and also recoat the stairs. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Smyrna, Georgia. It's the city of Cobb County. Nice, beautiful community. And guys, if you look at the floors again, I did these floors last year. We just took the wax off. And honestly, it wasn't a lot of wax on the floors, and then we buffed them out. But if you look, man, the floors are really in good shape, but they have some wear. So she took she said, Courtney, it's not a lot of furniture, but we'll just move it. Especially up in this kitchen area, you can start to take some wear. So it's really not, it's not really time for a screen and recoat. So what we're gonna do is a clean and just put a protection wear layer on it. And for that process, it's not the same price as screen and recoat, because we're not using polyurethane. We're using a polymer, but it's a good solid polymer. And for that service, I just charge $1.50 a square foot. So anyway, guys, Tavares has already started on the stairs. I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. And
yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Get it, Truman. Get it, Truman. Get it. Yeah, we gon' ride. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, Truman. Get it, Truman. Hey. Hands up high. That's Truman. That's Truman. That's Truman. That's Truman. Yeah. That's Truman. There you go. Hey. Get it, shine. Yeah, that's Truman. That's Truman. That's Truman. That's Truman. That's Truman. Lift 'em up, working hard all night. Snap with it. Clap with it. Shine with it. Grind with it. Hey, yeah, get it, Truman. Hey, get it, Truman. Get it, Truman. Hey, yeah, we gon' ride. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hands up high.
all right, guys, we are done. We did put down the protective wear layer. As you can see, floors has a nice little sheen to it, not too glossy. It's more like a satin finish. But like I say, with the protective wear layer, I rarely do it because, as you guys see, 90% of our floors are screen or recoats. But this floor didn't need a screen or recoat. But yep, look at that. It looks so much better. So all we did is add some more wear layer to the coating that was already on the floor. So shout out to my client again for giving me the opportunity to come back. And I do have a handful of these clients that have me come in once a year and just keep the floors maintained. And that's what it's about, guys, is keeping the floors maintained. All right, guys, October is going to be a busy, busy month because the phone has been ringing a lot today. And we're already booked out for almost 2 weeks. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.